Okay guys, this is Dixie, and then the other one is Dex. Okay, they are couple. Okay, come on baby. They are wild ducks. Tingnan nyo naman yan, no? Ayan, no? Oh. Hey Dix, come on. They are hungry. Wow. Most probably they have eggs here around, right? Ipakikita ko sa inyo guys itong itong area na to. Bushes kasi to. So malamang na meron silang dito, wild ducks kasi yan eh. Malamang na may mga eggs yan dito around. Yung area namin, oh. Okay. Isang trivia lang sa inyo guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung bridge na yan, that is one of the oldest bridge here in Calgary. That was built in I believe it was in 2016. I can show you the date, okay? Ito ha. I think
1916.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah. See, that was 1916. You see that date? Yeah, that was built in 1916. So, yan, para na kayong nakarating dito sa sa Calgary. So, isa yan sa pinagmamalaking bridge dito sa Calgary. Kasi yan, diyan lang siya. Siya lang yung mga bagong bridge, yung mga bridges dito ng mga bago na 'yon. Siya lang yung talagang isa sa mga naunang bridge na kung makikita niyo yan. Yung bridge na yan, siya talaga, sabi nila nung ginawa yan, yan ay purong bato lang, wala siyang bato lang siya talaga na ginawa. Oh, kita nyo naman, oh. Kung malapitan kayo dyan, ang kapal niyang semento niyan, ang ibig sabihin yung semento lang siya na paano ba na ginawa? Kasi noong araw walang di uso yung metal. Parang semento lang na awang o paano nila in-engineer yun. Pero ganun daw eh. Anyway. So yan, that was built in 1916. Okay, and balik tayo dito kay Duck Biscopo. Ayan sila. Oh, yeah. Ngayon sana kayaks kami ng mga mga teammate ko sa office wala sila. Yung isa parating pa lang, hinihintay pa namin dito. Kaya while waiting for yung sa kanila na dumating, dito muna kami. Oh, yan oh. Ito kasama sa office si Braden. Braden, look at show your peace sign. Oh, that's good.
My piss sign, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Okay, and we're still waiting for Rhonda. Where is she now?
We don't know.
Yeah. Okay guys. Ito na uli ang dalawang mga. Okay, hello babies. You want more food? Okay, you want more food? Still hungry? Come on. Come here. Okay guys. Next time uli.